I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education. See, many of you desire and dream to pursue your higher education courses in globally reputed universities in developed countries like Europe, America, etc. You know, my analysis is like why, despite of many of you willing to join these universities, why you are not in position to join these universities. The answer for that is not capability or admission criteria. The answer for that is your persistence and your pushing yourself for such admissions. It is very easy to get admission in these countries if you pursue the admission process, if you persist yourself. You know, you must have seen like in post-gate process also, admission process also, applying in different universities, like writing SORs, mailing the professor, identification of the courses, is a process which looks like irritating to students. And that is the reason they do not do it. If you start doing that, you will start getting calls. And you have to get only one good course with scholarship to start the journey of higher education, whether it is in India or it is in Europe. Suppose I tell you that you will get admission in German university for next 2 years. The university is very good, the course is very good, and after that you will get job also. And you have to invest, let us say, 5-7 lakh rupees from your pocket for the next 2 years. And after 2 years you will get good job. Will you go there? You will say, yes sir, we will go there. Tell where it is. Now, there are so many such universities. It is not that YourPedia knows it and then nobody knows it. Everybody knows it. There are so many such universities, so many such courses. You need to know a little bit about German. You need to know a little bit about your TOEFL or IELTS. You need to know the courses you need to apply. And that process you need to follow. If you will not follow that process, you will never be in position to reach there. So you need to push yourself. Come out of your comfort zone. You need to do that. Now YourPedia has started informative videos in this direction, telling you about cost of living, telling you about everything, and telling you that it is very much possible and easy to get there. Regular Zoom interactions of all of you with the mentors of YourPedia is being done, so that to inform you that these are the opportunities for you, this is how you have to go. Do not presume anything. Do not presume the course is very costly. I need to invest a lot of money from my pocket. I may not get admission there. My CGPA is less. I do not know German. I do not know GRE. I do not have course. Do not presume anything. If you are determined that I want to go there and lead a good career, and it's a time for me to fly and time for me to chase my dream, if that is there in your mind, then explore the options. Do not presume anything. Don't even presume that YourPedia, even that also, that YourPedia is telling you this, maybe it is a self-interest of YourPedia. Yes, there is a self-interest, and you should also have your self-interest in exploring the options. So you should also know that, okay, I'm to get this information and use this information for my career. That is how it is to be done. Opportunities are there, easy opportunities are there. Many of the students have made their good career, so can you. And my duty on YourPedia is to push you for that, inform you for that, and that is what I'm doing here. So I'm telling you that these are the options. Explore it, seek the information from the mentors. You can provide your details on the form attached here, and you will get the call from executive. You can attend the Zoom interactions, and then accordingly you can decide course of action for you. All the best, and let's fulfill and reach our objective or our goal. Thank you.